Welcome to Academic E-Learning. Today we are going to see how to convert the logical representation of a program into another notations, that is a flowchart and the pseudocode. Okay, we all know what is flowchart. Flowchart is a graphical representation and pseudocode is the short, readable and formally styled English sentences of an algorithm. Okay, so whenever we are having a problem, first thing is we have to think of input and think of the output, and based on that we have to write the logic, and after writing the logic we have to number the steps that are present in the logic. Okay, and most important thing is we should not number the else. Okay, here you can see the numbers of an sentences. Okay, and now we are just going to draw the flowchart. Okay, so we all know the basic symbols that are used in the flowchart. So first thing is start. Okay, so start is nothing but the terminal symbol. We have to draw a oval. Okay, so we are just going to draw a oval, and this is our start. Okay, and then input. So for input we have to use the input output symbol, that is nothing but the parallelogram. Is right, therefore get or read. Okay, so I'm just going to get a comma b comma c. Okay, and then here condition. So condition must be represented by the decision symbol, that is the rhombus. Okay, I'm just going to draw the rhombus. Okay, within the rhombus we have to write the condition. So what is this? If a is greater than b. Okay, if this condition is correct, where we have to go? If the condition is correct, where we have to go? If the condition is false, where we have to go? Okay, so if this condition is true and if the condition is false. Okay, if this condition is true, we have to go and check the condition a is greater than c. Okay, so it must be represented by the decision symbol, that is a rhombus. Okay, within this I am just writing if a greater than c. Okay, so here also condition true means print a will be printed. If the condition is false means c will be printed. Okay, so here true, and here also you are having false. Okay, yes, and then see print. So this is the output statement, therefore we have to use the input output symbol, that is nothing but the parallelogram. So here you have to write print a. Okay, and then here you have to write print c. Okay, in case if this condition is false means where we have to go? We have to come here, we have to check the condition b is greater than c. Okay, if b greater than c, and it must be present inside the decision symbol. Okay, and then if this condition is true, what we have to do? If this condition is true, we are just going to print b. Yes, therefore it is the output symbol, therefore we have to write within a parallelogram, that is okay, print b. Okay, if this condition is false means, yes, okay, I'm just connecting a flow line here. If this condition is false means we are just going to print c. Okay, we all know after printing a, what should be printed? End. Yes. So print end. So it is the output statement, therefore it must be present within the input output symbol. Yes, I'm just going to connect this. You can draw flow lines as you have wish. Okay, the thing is we have to connect this. Okay, and then finally we have to stop. It is represented by the terminal symbol, that is over. Stop. That's all, So in university examination, if they ask draw a flowchart for finding the largest among three numbers, means this is the answer. Okay, yes. And so this is about the flowchart. Now we are going to convert this logic into the pseudocode. Okay, so first one is, see, in pseudocode we have to know about the keywords. Okay, and also the keywords must be initialized, that is, it must be capital. Okay, yes. So first one is begin, yes. And second step is read. You can use read or get or input. Okay, read a comma b comma c. And next one is if a is greater than b, and then if a is greater than c, and then print is a. Yes, and then else print C, and then you have to, that is n multi-line structure. Okay, so if else, and here you have to write n def. Okay, yes. And next, if this condition is wrong, means what we have to write, if b is greater than c, and then you are just going to write print b, else print c, and then you have to end this if, end if, and next print end, and next last one is end, begin and that of end. Is or no? See here, all the statements, in all the statements you are having the keyword, and all these keywords are capital words. Yes. Here pseudo is nothing but false. Okay, and code is nothing but executable one. So what is this false executable one? That is, this is this follows the structure of the programming languages, but we cannot compile and we cannot get the output. Okay, yes. So this is about the conversion of a logical representation into the flowchart and pseudocode. Thanks for watching.